Mon-Ara's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make pineapple oil. This pineapple oil is infused and you're only going to need two things: your carrier oil, which is your choice of oil, and your pineapple. The reason why I choose to make an infused oil is because when you make infused oils, the properties of both the carrier oil and the herb or fruit you're using is going to be infused in the oil. This oil is simple to make and you can use as it is. Along the way, I'm going to give you more benefits of this oil, and this is one of my secrets to an even toned skin. I use this every single night for my face. So stay tuned and don't forget to click on the subscription button, like the video or comment, send me a message, and thank you guys for watching. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So to start, you're going to get your clean pineapple. And for today's carrier oil, I am using sweet almond oil. Make sure your pineapple is clean and start to peel the skin of the pineapple. Once that's done, cut your pineapple in thin slices. Now, because pineapple is 80% water, we are going to have to dehydrate these pineapples because we do not want our oil to develop mold. Remove the core of the pineapple, and there you have it. Now, if you do not have a dehydrator, you can always use your oven, but you need to manipulate the oven so that you do not burn it. All you want to do is dry the pieces of pineapple and not cook or burn it. Arrange your pineapples on your dehydrator stack. Make sure you leave some space in between and cover it up and turn on your dehydrator according to the instruction and let it sit there all night, or depending on how long it takes to dry. Mine took a couple of hours, approximately 12 to 16, depending on the dehydrator you're using. At this point, you want to make sure your pineapple is free of water or fluid. Simply turn over your carrier oil into a measuring jar. I am going to slightly warm my sweet almond oil in the microwave for just 30 seconds. Now you want to use a clean, sterile jar. Dip the sterile jar in some hot boiling water to clean, or simply use rubbing alcohol. Cut your pineapple slices into smaller pieces, about half of the jar, and fill it with your sweet almond oil. At this point, all you want to do is cover it and let it sit. Now, this is the waiting time. Usually, infused oils need about 2 to 6 weeks to extract the properties of the plant material. After 6 weeks, you want to drain your pineapple oil into another clean jar. In between the 6 weeks, make sure you always go and just shake the bottle just to mix everything together. And at this point, it smells like pineapple. The smell was very, very strong. And you want to make sure that in between those 6 weeks, your oil developed no mold. But if it did, then it means there was a bit of water and you need to discard your oil and start from the beginning. Some of the reasons why I used sweet almond oil is because it is full of vitamin E, vitamin A, protein, potassium, zinc, and so many beneficiary properties. And thanks to the vitamin E in the sweet almond oil, it's going to protect your skin cells and also protect it from UV radiation damage and helps your skin look and feel smooth and soft. It's also a natural skincare superpower, and it's mostly non-comedogenic, so it will not clog your pores, and you can use it on your face, on your skin, on your hair, every part of your body. Now, I am using Phenonip, which is a preservative and mostly used in oil, just because I want to be sure that my oil can last for a long time. That's why I'm using that. But at this point, if you don't want to, you can simply store your oil in a fridge and use it as it is, undiluted, or you can also make massage blends, use it as your hair oil, or use it in making whipped body butters, and so on and so forth. I will show you a couple more videos on how to use this, and I hope you found this video very helpful. Thank you guys for watching.